lesson is going to be about some ancient people, brave heroes, and some scary, ugly monsters. Ancient people, scary, ugly monsters? Are you going back to Jesus and the start of them? No, silly. Let's travel back in time, before the World Wars, before the Victorians. Around the time when Spain started teaching, to 793 AD, when Norse people invade Britain.
This was the start of mass breeding across the country.
Now it's time for a short outbreak.
most fighter, England Raider, truly amazing, axe thrower, skull breaker, bone crusher, mean murderer, guilty grounders, furious fighters, amazing stealers.
Weapon keeper, ale drinker, life ender, bone crusher, vegetable grower, fish lover, boat builder, land stealer, go.
Well, you certainly know your stuff. Next question. In which ancient story does Grendel disrupt the peace in Denmark?
Oh, I know this one that sounds like a wild dog. Was it Beowulf? We wrote our own alternative ending to our Beowulf story. Immediately, Grendel's mother kicked open the door. Quickly, Beowulf grabbed his deadly dark axe and started to charge and stabbed her twice, but she was too strong for Beowulf. Grendel's mother tried to pick up Beowulf, but Beowulf was too powerful and strong. I will kill you, growled Grendel's mother. You can't kill me, claimed Beowulf. As he said that, he started to hit Grendel's mother with the sword that was sharp and shiny, and she fell down on the ground and made a loud bang. It was louder than a building collapsing. Grendel's mother lay lifeless on the floor.
There's no stopping you. Next question. What did the Vikings' helmets look like?
Oh, I bet 100% they had horns on each side.
It's a widely believed myth that Vikings wore horned helmets. Horns would have got caught easily or knocked off, not practical for such vicious warriors.
Nope. Nope. Wrong. Nope. Ridiculous. Wrong. Nope. Nope.
Now, to our final question. Worth 1 million pennies!
Pennies. We're not into pennies.
Well, that's the Viking currency. You should have certainly checked your facts. Final question. What was special about the Viking longships?
It was 30 meters long and could hold up to 30 men.
Oh, Mama!
They also had detailed carved dragon heads to scare off enemies or sea creatures. Maybe they could have used a picture of Mr. Ridgewell. We created our own Viking longships and used collage to bring them to life.